Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. It is 11:16 and 32 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, cancer pathophysiology. And feel free to check out my website. Well, let's hop to it here. Cholesterol metabolite induces production of cancer-promoting vessels. Date June 9, 2021. Source, University of Illinois. At Urbana Campaign, News Bureau. Researchers studying the link between cholesterol and breast cancer reported a byproduct of cholesterol metabolism causes some cells to send out cancer, promoting signals to other cells. These signals are packaged in membrane-bound compartments called extracellular vessels. Extracellular vessels play an important role in normal physiology, but they also have been implicated before in cancer biology. These particles carry cargo from one cell to another. This cargo is important because it is diverse and acts as a communication network. But very little is known about what regulates the vessels. Researchers found that 27-hydroxycholesterol, a byproduct of cholesterol metabolism, promotes tumor growth by binding to estrogen receptors on various tissues, spurring estrogen response cancer cells to proliferate and grow. The researchers also discovered that 27-HC suppresses immune function. To understand more precisely how 27-HC acts on cells, in the new study the team exposed several types of cells in the metabolite, including immune cells known as polymorphonuclear neutrophils. When researchers treated neutrophils, a type of white blood cell, with 27-hydroxycholesterol, they started spewing out extracellular vessels. The vessels contained a unique collection of signaling molecules, the researchers found. And when injected into mouse models of mammary cancer, the vessels promoted both breast tumor growth and breast cancer metastasis. This is an important study because it establishes that a hormone or metabolite can regulate these extracellular vessels. Understanding how this system works might prove to be therapeutically useful. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.